Okay, this is my latest one. It's on a what do you call this? Construction papers. That's what it's called. That's this one. This one I just wanted to do put on a dark paper. This one I called a shore. As you can see, the water is coming into the shore in the background, like wilderness. And this one I called clamshell. It's one of those abalone shells. So and on my 3,000 subscriber milestone, I'm gonna give away one of these sketches. I don't know which one, but it's gonna be a nice one, and I'm gonna do a random drawing. So, you know, to all my subscribers and those who have not subscribed to my channel, please do, because I'm gonna give away one of these real sketches. It's gonna be real nice. Here's another one. This one, I named it Nightlight. Did like a lighting coloring right here around the lamp. It's kind of cool. And this one, it's my X marks the spot, the X logo, apartment logo, and the coronavirus around it. It's just a homage to you know, me supporting everybody who has been affected by the virus. Here's another one I did. It's just a quick sketch. I did like a lighthouse with coloring lights. And then this one's called Flower Garden. It has a lot of flowers and different colors. Like I said, I'm going to give away one of these sketches on my 3,000 milestone. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. And hit the thumbs up, guys. I'd appreciate it. I'm just going to show you a couple more because I'll be here forever. And I'm going to show these for the other that I have. Okay, this one, it's a leaf. The raindrops, I call this one raindrops. You see the raindrops in the leaf. And this one, I named it Rich Tree. You can't see that the color red, but there's a lot of red in this sketch. So I just named it Red Trees. And this one, I named Jesus Christ the Savior. This is one of my first portraits that I've done. I've never done really portraits. I've always done sketches. So and this one I called Paradise Beach. It has other waves coming into the beach, and it has like a little island in the back, some clouds in the background. And this one, I just took I got bored, so I did a light bulb with a shadow. I could have done better, but oh well. I mean, I did a real quick sketch of a light bulb. This one has no name. It's like a beach with palm trees with some shadowing. And I think most of you have seen this one. I'm not really sure. This is called. I think I've seen this one already. It's a buck laying down on the brush. And this one, I paid homage to everybody to stay home. So I put a let's stay home, a broken sign on the beach, and you know I want to support all the medical personnel in the front lines and everybody else non-medical. Believe me, everybody helps in this crisis. This is a rough sketch. I did a rough sketch of Selena. So it's a real quick sketch. And this one, I went out of my norm. I did an eye. I just sketched an eye, and this was what the title of the sketch called